sewer inspection from the inside clean-out access, the Skyway Mini Mart. Can't get the camera any further than this spot. Seems to be a hole on the bottom of the sewer line that's stopping the camera, and then there's a real visible hole on the bottom and on the side of the sewer pipe, and this is at 86 feet. Currently, tough to say if it's causing any backups, but there's some significant structural damage. And then pull back through the sewer to the inside clean-out access. All this concrete pipe it's rough in aggregate, but it's okay. Looks to be a chunk of sewer pipe, probably from somewhere upstream laying in the sewer there. And then as we get closer and closer to the building, there'll be more and more buildup of sand and debris. So you start to see some sand building up in the bottom of the sewer line. Some rocks and pebbles. Lots of rocks. We have a short section of the sewer that seems to hold a little bit of water. It's right there in the, looks like a ABS plastic repair coming out of the cast iron. And then we have cast iron sewer pipe all the way back up to the clean-out access.